Welcome to Pocket Women, Lockpicking and Lock Sport. You might be asking why I've got you out in my yard. This is my shed. The reason why I'm here is I've lost my keys to my shed and to my gate. So I need to get in my shed today, so I need to pick my way through the lock. Why have I got such a crusty lock? Well, I bought this lock before I knew about lock sport, before I knew about fake brass locks. I only found out this was fake after I asked some questions in the lock sport community to find out why my brass lock was rusting, since I hadn't seen it before. And then they said it was fake brass. It's steel with a painted brass finish. And you usually buy them in the shops pretty cheap, and they're usually pretty shiny. This is what a brass padlock should look like when it's coloured up with weather and all sorts of stuff. That's a pure brass. Why haven't I got a decent lock on my shed, you might ask? It's for this very reason. If I lose my keys, I can at least pick myself in. There's a window right there. Someone wants to break in, they just break in through that, or they just pop these rivets off. It's easy done. It's heaps easier than picking a lock that's rusty, crusty, and it's got years of weather in it. So I'm going to do it with my EDC kits. Now this is just your standard Sparrows Kickstarter set with your 4 picks. I've put in the Medusa at the back there, put in some extra tension wrenches, but I'm just going to use the commercial stuff for the moment. So probably going to try raking some pins set first. These are handles that I got from Series 3. Beautiful. They fit. They're in 3 different sizes, thicknesses, and they're just great for putting on these commercial picks. They make them so much more comfortable, and as you saw, still maintains the low profile in your kit. Okay, it's moving. That's a good sign. Find the pins. Oh, they don't want to move. Okay, try raking. Bit of back and forward movement on the core, which is never good. And before I knew not to put graphite in things, I did lubricate it with graphite about a year ago. such a small kiwi, I think these picks are too thick on the shaft for it. There we go. In my shed. Alright, thanks for sticking with me. Everyone, you know the drill. Stay legal. Temptation is everywhere.